What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Man, you guys have probably been watching all my warm weather content that I've been stretching out over this past winter. But I'm back on the water. You know, we took a hiatus there. I stretched out some of that content because Jen was going through her cancer treatments, but yesterday she finished her final cancer treatment, and everything is looking absolutely great. Jen will, I'm sure, be on the water with us on this channel this spring. But right now, I feel like I'm gonna grab one of the new Cast Cray baits. This is the Crap Slap paddle tail. It's a little like 2.5 inch paddle tail. We're gonna go on the river here and see if some of these wintertime smallies are feeling a little anxious, feeling a little rambunctious. I know I'm feeling a little rambunctious. I haven't had a fishing pole in my hand in a few months. Let's go. That feels good to do again. Water is a little murky, but however, the temperature, after being freezing for weeks, it cranked up to 51 today. It's going to be a high of 28 tomorrow, so I figured let's get out for a couple hours today, see what we can make happen. All right, we're gonna go simple. We're gonna tie up a Ned rig, the nub, low and slow. Keep it to what bass want to eat in the winter time. And the nub is definitely one of those. We have got on, I believe it's bleeding pumpkin. I'm just gonna get him out in the mix, see what he's thinking. we go. On the jerkbait. Well, the creek didn't pan out very much, so we had to come to the spillway and hit this little spot where I know there's always a bass waiting. It's at least feels good to get to feel a fish on the end of the line again. I will see you guys on the water in a little bit later.